In this video, we listed the 5 best sticker maker machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cricut Maker 3. The Cricut Maker 3 is a versatile and advanced smart cutting machine designed for crafters, enabling them to create a wide array of projects from over 300 different materials. Its automatic operation and the capability to utilize more than 13 tools, including cutting, scoring, engraving, and writing, make it an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast. The machine features access to beginner's guides, expert-led courses, and a thorough learning plan in its Design Space app, ensuring users can swiftly gain confidence in their crafting skills. With the ability to make longer, precise cuts using Cricut Smart materials, up to 12 feet for a single image or 75 feet for repeated designs, this machine caters to larger projects effortlessly. The Design Space app, compatible with multiple platforms, provides endless customization options, along with a vast library of more than 300,000 images and 7,000 project templates available through Cricut Access. Whether you wish to create custom t-shirts, personalized mugs, or unique greeting cards, the Cricut Maker 3, along with its additional accessories, opens up a world of crafting possibilities. Number 2. Cricut Explore Air 2. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is an automatic cutting machine designed to make arts and crafts accessible for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Compactly sized at 6.99-inch dx 21.13, wx 5.93 and featuring a stylish mint color, this machine cuts over 100 materials, including cardstock, vinyl, and iron-on transfers, thanks to its premium fine-point blade. Its cloud-based Design Space app offers seamless crafting through wireless Bluetooth connectivity, supporting devices across iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac platforms. The machine is designed for organization, with built-in storage for tools and a reusable light-grip machine mat that keeps materials securely in place. With compatibility for 6 different tools for cutting, writing, foiling, and more, the Cricut Explore Air 2 opens up a world of creative possibilities while allowing users to add various accessories for enhanced functionality. Number 3. Phomemo M02. The Phomemo M02 is a compact and stylish portable pocket printer designed for convenience and versatility. Weighing just 190 grams and measuring 3.3 by 3.2 by 1.6 inches, this inkless thermal printer connects via Bluetooth 4.0 to the Phomemo app, compatible with Android 7.0 and iOS 13.0 or above. It allows users to print monochrome text and photos instantly, offering a variety of fonts, filter effects, and themes to enhance black and white images. The app is regularly updated with new templates and graphics, making it ideal for capturing and sharing special moments. Perfect for holidays and gifts, the printer's sleek design fits easily into a pocket, ensuring you can keep track of life's events anytime, anywhere. To maintain battery life, users are advised to charge the printer when the indicator light turns red and to charge it regularly if not in use for an extended period. Number 4. Cricut Explore 3. The Cricut Explore 3 is a versatile cutting machine designed to work with over 100 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, making it ideal for a variety of crafting projects. With its mint color and compact dimensions of 10-inch dx 24.5, wx 10.25 it offers an automatic operation mode for ease of use. This machine is capable of cutting intricate designs with precision and can also write, draw, foil, score, and perform other functions. It seamlessly integrates with home inkjet printers for full-color print and cut designs, further enhancing its utility. Additionally, users can take advantage of the free and user-friendly Design Space app, making it easy to create and personalize their projects. Number 5. Brother ScanNCut SDX 125 EGY. The Brother ScanNCut DX is a versatile and innovative cutting machine designed for hobbyists and budding entrepreneurs, featuring a unique built-in scanner that allows users to scan and cut various materials directly from their own designs. With dimensions of 8.4-inch dx 20.9, wx 6.8 h, this machine boasts an active surface area of 11.7 inches and can effortlessly handle materials up to 3 mm thick, including paper, vinyl, fabric, balsa wood, chipboard, foam, and felt. Equipped with 682 built-in designs and 9 fonts, it encourages creativity and customization through its user-friendly 5-inch touchscreen LCD display, USB port, and wireless capability. The ScanNCut DX utilizes automatic blade technology to eliminate the need for manual material selection and adjustments, making it an efficient tool for crafting stunning DIY projects. Additionally, the device operates quietly, ensuring minimal disturbance during use. The package includes essential accessories, such as a standard tack mat, pens, and a pattern collection, highlighting its suitability for both personal projects and gift-giving. This product is specifically designed for sale in the US and operates at 120 volts.